Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and a little bit of rain, and what we are doing today is we are going to do some 360 vlogs. Now you'll be thinking, why 360? Why Opinions Matter is jumping on 360? Well, the camera that I'm using is going to be the Samsung Gear 360. It is for $84 right now in Amazon. With taxes, it's going to be like 90 bucks, and it shoots amazing 1080p. It's kind of waterproof, because as you can see, mild drizzle is going on. You might be seeing a little bit of raindrops on my lens and stuff like that, but that's not a big deal. Now, 12 megapixel camera on the front and the back. It does 4K at 24 FPS, and it has got HDR. This is the 2080 version, because 2017 version got updated, and then they made the 2018 act, just putting stabilization in it. So, but also you have to make sure whenever you're buying cameras like this, you have to shoot audio separately and you have to shoot video separately. So it's kind of 2-in-1. And so you do like both of them together, and later in post-production, you're going to actually merge the audio and the video together. Now, the app that you're going to use for any sort of 360 videos is going to be a Theta version, because the Samsung Gear 360 is not that good in stitching and directing those 360 videos. So use a Theta Plus director, and after that, you know what we are going to do? We're not going to do a morning test, because more or less everything in the morning looks fine. We are going to switch to low light, and we'll check out the low light test. So this vlog is going to again happen at night today, and we are going to bring a special guest, Tech5, out here also, because he's going to jump in and he's going to share his thoughts on the Gear 360. Alrighty, so now let's switch to low light, which is at night. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and look who we have got there, Tech5 also. No. Getting a lot of emails saying that why am I not doing 360 vlogs and everything, but the thing is that with the 360 vlogs, everything is shot in 360, and it becomes really hard to direct and all that stuff. So that's the reason editing, I think, is the biggest problem on 360 camera. What's your opinion on this?
Definitely. Importing the metadata.
Yeah, just give me one more. I'm using a lapel microphone, so I'll just hold it in my hand, and I think audio is a very important thing also, right?
It is, of course. You can't really vlog if there's no audio, and if you're using the 360 just for pictures and videos, it's limited.
Got you. And well, the gear that we are using right now is a Samsung Gear 360, right? And the Samsung Gear 360 right now on Amazon is round about 95 bucks.
This is the second version, right?
Yeah, this is the 2017 version. What do you think about the 2017 version?
It's decent. I mean, for 90 bucks, it's a pretty much free 360 camera.
And it shoots 4K also, so you get 4K at 24 FPS. But by the way, this episode is getting shot at 2K resolution, so you guys might be thinking, what's going on with the resolution? So that's shot in 2K, so we're shooting this in 2K, to be very frank. It does have an app support, and the app actually works with like your iPhone also. Yeah, it works with your iPhone, so I mean, like 90 bucks, you can't get wrong, right?
Can you edit and everything?
Well, they say that the app you can edit, but then again, we have to see this, because LumaFusion now allows 360 videos and stuff like that for editing.
That's nice. So you just import stuff from the Gear 360 into LumaFusion.
Yeah. The only problem is that, as you guys can see right now, we are holding a lapel microphone, because audio on this is crap, and there's a lot of wind noise and stuff like that.
We'll see how that works.
Yeah. Pictures, do you think we should take some pictures and show the viewers also, apart from like doing like a video?
Do the tiny planets.
Yeah, because so like this whole vlog, I cannot put it on a 360 kind of stuff, just because to be very frank, to view all the contents, you have to use like a VR headset and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So basically what we are doing is that we are just putting it, and we are going to intentionally go through dark areas so that people can see what sort of noise, grains and stuff is there on this camera, which is going for 90 bucks right now on Amazon.
Yeah, I mean, 90 bucks is unbeatable.
What was your first 360 camera?
You don't even want to know. It's a rylo 360.
So why did you give up on the rylo 360 camera?
Why did I give up on that? Well, first, all the colors are faded. You cannot get clear colors.
No, but it has amazing stabilization for like $399.
$499.
$499?
$499. It's
Dang,
$500.
That means it's more expensive than Insta 360 One X?
Yes, and if you compare those both together, just because of amazing stabilization, Insta 360 now has that as well. The colors are all faded out, and you cannot even bring them up.
Okay.
Plus, the app does not let you edit the ratio of what you want to upload. So it's always not even 16:9, but like, what is the
4:5 aspect ratio?
Worse than that or something like that. Yeah.
Okay. So 4:5 aspect ratio on the.
It's very much stretched out like crazy,
yeah.
and you can't even get a picture.
I mean, I'm pretty sure this camera is also not that good, but hey, then again, for $90,
instead of
you
500.
just instead of 500, I think it's highly recommended for if you guys are starting as a beginner. Now, few things that you guys need to remember: audio separate, video separate. Started with a clap so that you know where to edit it from, and you do need an external video editor. I recommend LumaFusion. Let's see what Tech5 says. What would you suggest?
I only use LumaFusion. Edit on the go. That's all I do.
Okay, so we are going to do editing on the go, so that's the reason I would recommend LumaFusion. Now what we are going to do is that, as you can see, there's a little bit of less light out here, but if we go into a place where there is a little bit of illumination, you guys can notice whether this actually performs good or not. So for example, if we have lights out here, let me know down in comments below what you think about this $90 kind of Samsung Gear 360. 360 video is too hard to edit. It's very hard to edit. You can post stuff in Instagram and you can post stuff elsewhere, but if you are doing vlogging and you're posting your stuff to YouTube and stuff like that, that's where everything becomes a little bit crazy, right?
Yeah, that's why I don't really get into the 360 game.
Because you remember we started that rylo 360 stabilization test on Mavic 2, right?
Yeah, it's on. Is it on my channel?
It's on your channel.
I mean, it cuts off. You get like, I don't know what that ratio is. It's not normal ratio, and you cannot stretch it out because it's all faded out anyway. So it's all just grainy if you do.
Alrighty guys, so this is Opinions Matter. This is Tech5. Do check out his channel, and we were doing 360s long time back. So, well, there you go guys. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we are going to present you unique opinions, unique reviews, and yes, we are going to make sure whether the affordable products go to proper consumers or not. So take care.